Today, we're diving into a real, honest review of the Plus500 brokerage platform, perfect for anyone who's thinking about using it for their trading needs. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with some trading experience, I'll break down what Plus500 offers and help you decide if it's right for you. We'll go over everything, from the advantages to the disadvantages, plus how much it costs to use the platform. First off, Plus500 is known for its easy-to-use platform, making it popular among traders who want a straightforward experience. The interface is clean and doesn't overwhelm you with too many features at once, which is a huge plus for beginners. You can trade CFDs on various assets, including stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. It's also mobile-friendly, so you can trade on the go using their app. One of the key advantages of Plus500 is that it's commission-free. You don't have to worry about extra costs on trades, but keep in mind that they do make money from spreads, which can vary depending on the asset you're trading. Another benefit is the demo account, which allows you to practice trading without risking real money. This is a great feature for those who are new to trading and want to get familiar with how everything works before jumping in with real funds. However, Plus500 does have its disadvantages. While it's great for CFD trading, you cannot trade actual stocks or cryptocurrencies. You're trading their price movements instead. This might not appeal to traders who prefer to own the assets they're trading. Another drawback is that Plus500 is not available in the US, which limits its availability for a large portion of the market. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Now back to Plus500. The platform offers a variety of educational resources, but these are somewhat limited compared to other brokers. While it's easy to get started, you may find yourself wanting more in-depth guidance, especially if you're a beginner. Plus500 is regulated by multiple financial authorities, which ensures a level of security and trustworthiness. The platform's cost structure is relatively simple, with no hidden fees outside of the spreads. They also offer leverage, which can amplify your gains but also increases your risks. So use it wisely. If you're still trying to decide whether Plus500 is for you, it really depends on your trading style. If you're into CFDs, want to avoid commission fees, and value a user-friendly platform, Plus500 might be the right fit. But if you're looking to trade real assets or need deep educational resources, you might want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below about your experience with Plus500.